Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Your Ring Doorbell's night vision feature might not be working due to obstructions in front of the camera, poor Wi-Fi connection, or hardware issues. Firstly, ensure there are no obstacles blocking the camera's view and clean the lens gently. Secondly, check your Wi-Fi strength. A weak signal can affect the doorbell's functionality, including night vision. Lastly, if these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be a hardware problem, and contacting Ring support for further assistance or a potential replacement might be necessary.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.